Hello there everybody, Sam's Trains here. Welcome back to not my railway, but to the battlefield line. We're here for the day, so let's take a look around. So we're at the battlefield line, and I've just spotted what looks like maybe an old abandoned signal box or something. And let's see what we can see. Wow. It certainly is a signal box. The lever's still inside there. What looks like a fireplace. And there's another one. I wonder if this is the bottom part of it. I bet it is. I think that's the top. And that's the bottom. Wow. And there's also some abandoned rolling stock. I'm not sure what this van is, but I quite like it. And we've got a coach that is literally full of junk. Look at that. Blimey. Don't hang around. And here is something I have never seen in the flesh before. It's not this thing. It's this. Could this be a high railer? Yeah. And unlike on the models, you can kind of see how it works. Looks like some hydraulic cylinders under there that raise and lower the wheels. Still free. Yeah, look at that. Fantastic. This is some retro stuff. Or retro bruff. Well, I've got to say, there's some stuff here that doesn't look like it's ruined. It's a very serviceable looking 33. And we've got a nice shunter here. That's got to be an 04. 03, 04. There you go. Anybody interested in the footbridge? Here's a short history. Little faded. Man, almost afraid to walk on this. Well, let's try. That's quite a view. I think I may have just crossed a bridge to nowhere. I think this literally just leads into a bush. Well, I'm going into a bush. No, I think it might be a footpath. There we go. We're not going to a railway today with Sam's Trains. We're going to walk through the countryside. No, just joking. Back up the bridge. Tell you what, this place could give my little graveyard a run for its money. Look at this. All sorts of stuff here. I don't want to just show this place as a graveyard. Look, there is a better looking box van over there. Yeah. Quite a few old relics around. And it's such a nice place as well. And just listen. Very quiet. That's the only reason I'm brave enough to speak to the camera, because there's literally nobody here. I've seen nobody. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's the way I'd like it. I heard a diesel noise, but I don't see any diesel at the moment. Oh, yes I do. See? These things do crawl. Very nice. What a formation that is. Wow. It's quite the smell, that. This is Shenton Station. Tell me what you thought. How was the journey?
It was quite rocky. It wasn't too relaxing.
Well, it was supposed to be.
I felt myself going like this quite a bit.
They tune the bogies so that there's plenty of rocking, so that it's more of a thrilling ride. Because otherwise it's just a
Are you going to go like this on the Sprung buffers?
Yeah.
Go on then. No, you didn't do it with your finger. Your finger's got to come into the shot.
No, it's not good.
Kind of go like that.
You stand here then.
You must hold it there.
No.
That's it, that's it. The finger's got to come in, that's it.
No,
it Sprung?
It's not Sprung. All that money, and there's no Sprung buffers. There's the driver's cab. Looks a little different from the ones I'm used to seeing.
He's done a great job.
So we've got this beautiful museum full of very authentic memorabilia, and would you know it, if there are models around, I'm definitely going to spot them. Some unusual models as well. This is quite a novel idea. There's a shop inside a coach. I have no idea what sort of stuff's inside. So that's it. Thanks for joining me at the battlefield line. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. No steamers on display today, but there is a hall class in one of the sheds, so I'm told. And they do a really good job of keeping everything safe. The guy was saying when the train gets back to the station, they've got about 30 minutes to clean the entire interior of the carriages for, obviously, COVID reasons. And they do a really good job. So yeah, that was awesome. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, cheers folks.